If you want smoother gameplay, lower temperatures, less fan noise, or just want to keep your frame rate under control, this video is going to show you exactly how to set an FPS limit in Steam games. We'll go through the best method first, then I'll show you a couple of backup options in case your game doesn't support it natively. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The best and most stable way to limit FPS is usually inside the game itself. A lot of modern games include built-in settings for this, and if your game has it, that should be your first choice. To check, open the game and go into settings. Then look for a graphics tab, a video tab, or sometimes an advanced graphics section. Once you're in there, scan for options like frame rate limit, max FPS, or frame limit. Some games may also use VSync instead of a direct FPS cap. VSync can be useful because it limits your frame rate to match your monitor refresh rate, which can help prevent screen tearing. If you only want a specific cap like 60, 120, or 144 frames per second, set that number if the game allows it. This method is generally the most stable because the game itself is handling the limit directly. If your game doesn't have an in-game FPS limiter, the next option is launch options. This won't work in every game, but for some titles, it's a very effective method. To do this in Steam, go to your library and find the game you want to change. Right-click the game, select Properties, and then look for Launch Options. In that box, you can enter commands that the game will use when it starts. For some source engine games, a common command is plus FPS max 60. That tells the game to cap the frame rate at 60. Some other games use different commands, like FPS cap equals 60, but keep in mind that this varies depending on the game. Because of that, it's always a good idea to search for the exact launch option your game supports if the first command doesn't work. Launch options are handy because they apply automatically every time you open the game through Steam. Now, if you want a more universal method that can work across many games, you can use your GPU control panel. This is especially useful if the game itself doesn't offer a frame limit setting. If you have an NVIDIA card, open the NVIDIA app and go into Graphics or Global Settings. Look for the max frame rate option, then turn it on and set your desired FPS value. You can choose a cap like 60, 90, 120, or whatever makes sense for your monitor and system. This is a really convenient option because it can apply broadly and doesn't depend on the game having built-in support. If you're using an AMD or an Intel graphics setup, they usually have similar driver level settings in their own software as well, so check your graphics utility for a frame rate limit or performance control option. When deciding what FPS cap to use, it helps to match your goal. If you want less heat and lower power usage, a lower cap like 60 frames per second can be great. If you have a high refresh rate monitor, you might want to set the limit slightly below your refresh rate for smoother performance and less stutter. For example, if your monitor is 144 Hz, you might try 141 frames per second or 120 frames per second depending on the game. The main idea is to keep your frame rate steady instead of letting it spike all over the place. If one method doesn't work, don't worry. Some games prefer in-game settings, some respond to launch options, and others are best controlled through your GPU software. That's why it's smart to test each method one at a time until you find the one that works best for your setup. After changing the setting, launch the game and check whether the frame rate stays near your chosen limit. If it does, you're good to go. So to quickly recap, first, check the game's own graphics or video settings for a frame rate limit, max FPS, or VSync option. Second, try Steam launch options if the game supports FPS commands. And third, use your NVIDIA or GPU control panel if you want a system-level FPS cap that works across games. That's the easiest way to set an FPS limit in Steam games and keep your gameplay feeling smoother and more controlled. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful Steam and PC gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.